Good morning, students. Today we are going to start with practice set 5.4. Now, students, in practice 5.4, we are going to learn the expansion of a plus b plus c the whole square. So, what is the formula? A plus b plus c the whole square equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 into AB plus 2 into BC plus 2 into AC. So, student, here three terms are there. That is A plus B plus C. These are three terms. So, expansion will be the square of first term plus square of second term plus square of third term plus 2 into first term into second term plus 2 into second term into third term plus 2 into first term into third term. So this is the formula for a plus b plus c the whole square. That is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ac. So students, let's start with our practice set 5.4. Now the first question, expand. Now what is given? 2p plus q plus 5 the whole square. So three terms are here, that is 2p plus q plus 5 the whole square. So we'll use the formula a plus b plus c the whole square equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ac. So we'll put here our a is equal to 2p. You can see this is a term, so 2p, b is q and c term is 5. So you'll put in this. So what will happen, student? It will become 2p square. You got 2p square plus b square. In place of b square, you'll write down q square plus c square. So it will become 5 square plus 2 into a. The first term is 2p into b is q plus 2bc. You'll write down 2 into q into 5 plus 2ac. So we'll write down 2 into 2p into 5. So now we'll solve this. So 2p square will become 2p the whole square will become 4. 2 2s are 4. So square of 2 is 4. So 4p square plus q the whole square will become q square plus 5 the whole square will become 25 plus now you'll multiply 2 into 2 p into q. So 2 into 2 4. So you'll write down 4 p into q, you'll get pq, then plus sign, then here next 2 into q into 5 will multiply. So 2 into 5 10, 10 q you'll get here, then plus, then 2 into 2p into 5. So you'll multiply 2 2s are 4, 4 into 5 20, you'll get 20 and p. So 20p. This is your answer. So final answer, final you'll write down like that. 2p plus q plus 5 the whole square equal to 4p square plus q square plus 25 plus 4pq plus 10q plus 20p. Now students, let's move to our next sum. So what is given? M plus 2n plus 3r the whole square. So using the formula a plus b plus c the whole square equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 into ab plus 2 into bc plus 2 into ac. We'll use this. So here a is m, my a term is m, b term is 2n and c term is 3r. So we'll use the formula, that is a square, it will become m square plus b square will become 2n the whole square plus c square. So 3r is my c term. So 3r the whole square plus 2 into ab. So it will become 2 into m into 2n plus 2bc. We'll write down 2 into 2n into 3r plus 2ac. So 2 into m into 3r. So further we'll solve. Next step, m the whole square will become, student, m square plus 2n the whole square will become 4n square plus 3r the whole square will become 9r square, because 3 square is 9. R square, then the variable will get square. Plus we'll multiply this 2 into m into 2n. So first let's multiply the number. 2 into 2, 4, and m into n, mn. So you'll get 4mn plus 2 into 2n into 3r. So let's multiply 2 into 2, 4. 4 3s are 12. So you'll get 12 nr, then plus 2 into m into 3r. You'll multiply, so you'll get 2 3s are 6. So you'll write down 6 and m into r, mr. I hope you are getting, students. So finally you'll write down in a box, that is m plus 2n plus 3r the whole square equal to m square plus 4n square plus 9r square plus 4mn plus 12nr plus 6mr. Moving to our third question. Now what is given in third, students? 3x plus 4y minus 5p the whole square. So we'll use the formula a plus b plus c the whole square equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 into ab plus 2 into bc plus 2 into ac. So here our a term is first term, that is 3x, b is 4y, and c is minus 5p. So we'll get a is equal to 3x, b 4y, and c is our minus 5p. So we'll just put, so a square will become 3x the whole square, b square will become 4y the whole square, plus then c square you'll write down minus 5p the whole square, plus in place of 2ab you'll write down 2 into 3x into 4y, plus then in place of 2bc, you'll write down 2 into 4y into, now c is with negative, so you'll put in bracket minus 5p, then plus 2ac, you'll write down 2 into 3x into minus 5p. So let's solve this now, student. Next step. So 3x the whole square will become 9x square plus 4y the whole square will become 16y square. Then plus, now student, minus square, minus 5 the whole square. So you know it is even, square is here too. So negative will turn to positive. So you'll get 5 square 25 p square. So plus 2 into 3x into 4y. So we'll multiply first numbers. 2 into 3, 6. 6 into 4, 24 into x into y. So we'll get xy. Then plus 2 into 4y into minus 5. So student, here first multiply 2 into 4, 8. Now 8 into minus 5. So it will become minus 40. So your sign will change, that is minus 40 p into y, py. Then plus this one 2 into 3x into minus 5p. So student, you'll multiply 2 3s are 6. 6 into minus 5. So it will become minus 30. So your sign will become minus 30. And p into x will become px. So this is your answer. So we'll write down, that is 3x plus 4y minus 5p the whole square equal to 9x square plus 16y square plus 25p square plus 24xy minus 40py minus 30px. So I hope you are getting the concept. So let's solve our next sum. Now fourth one. What is the question? 7m minus 3n minus 4k the whole square. So here our A term is with 7m, B term is minus 3n and C is minus 4k. So by using the formula A plus B plus C the whole square equal to A square plus B square plus C square plus 2 into AB plus 2 into BC plus 2 into AC. So we'll use this and we'll further solve. So your A is equal to 7m, B is equal to minus 3n. See, negative sign you have to consider here. Huh? So B is equal to minus 3n and C is equal to minus 4k. So we'll write down in place of A square, it will become 7m the whole square plus B square will become minus 3n the whole square plus C square will become minus 4k the whole square plus 2ab, it will become 2 into 7m. Our A is 7m into B, that is minus 3n, right in bracket this one. Then plus 2BC, that is 2 into minus 3n into minus 4k. Then plus 2AC will become 2 into 7m into minus 4k. Now we'll solve this. So 7m the whole square will become 7 square is 49. So it will become 49m square plus minus 3n the whole square. So negative will turn into positive as it is square. So minus 3 into minus 3 plus 9 you'll get. So plus 9n square plus 4 minus 4k the whole square will become 16k square. Then you'll multiply 2 into 7m into minus 3n. So first multiply the numbers. That is 2 3s are minus 3 into 2 minus 6. Then minus 6 into 7 minus 42 mn. Then you'll get the next term you'll multiply here. That is 2 into minus 3n into minus 4k. So 2 into minus 3, that is minus 6. Then minus 6 into minus 4, that is minus into minus plus will become. So 6 4s are 24 you'll get nk. Then plus what is given 2 into 7m into minus 4k. So we'll multiply this. So you'll get 2 into minus 4 minus 8. Minus 8 into 7 you'll get minus 56 mk. So this is your answer. So we'll write down final answer as 7m minus 3n minus 4k the whole square equal to 49m square plus 9n square plus 16k square minus 42mn plus 24nk minus 56mk. So this four sums we have solved, student. Now let's move to the next part, that is simplify. Now in simplify we'll have, that is two parts. That is one is here, one term is with x minus 2y plus 3 the whole square plus x plus 2y minus 3 the whole square. So we have to simplify this and find out the answer. Now same formula, student, we have to use here. That is a plus b plus c the whole square equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ac. But now students, you can solve simultaneously both together, but it will become easy. First find out the answer for this first term, this one first part of this, and then find out the answer for this term full expression. Then we will solve together, so it will not make mistakes. So first I will solve x minus 2y plus 3 the whole square by using this above formula, that is a plus b plus c the whole square formula I'll use. So what will become, student? Now it will a square means x square plus minus 2y the whole minus 2y the whole square plus, now this will become 3 the whole square plus, now 2ab, so 2 into x into minus 2y plus 2bc will become 2 into minus 2y into 3, then plus 2ac, so 2 into x and into 3. So next step we'll solve this. X the whole square will become x square. Then plus minus 2y the whole square will become 4y square plus 3 square will become 9. Then 2 into x into 2y, this will become 2 2s are 4, but minus is there, so minus 4xy. Then plus 2 into minus 2y into 3, so 2 into minus 2, it will become minus 4. Minus 4 into 3, minus 12. Then y is there, so into y, so it will become minus 12y. Then plus, we'll put plus, then 2 into x into 3. So 3 2s are 6. So you'll get 6x answer. Now we have solved this part, that is x minus 2y plus 3 the whole square. Now let's solve this individual, this part now. X plus 2y minus 3 the whole square. So x plus 2y minus 3 the whole square. Let's solve. Same formula we'll use, student. So it will become x the whole square plus 2y the whole square minus, plus, then minus 3 the whole square plus 2 into x into 2y plus, this is 2 into BC now, so it will become 2 into 2y into minus 3 plus, now here 2AC according to formula, so it will become 2 into x into minus 3. So let's find out the values. So x the whole square will become x square plus 2y the whole square will become 4y square plus minus 3 the whole square is 9 plus, you'll multiply this, that is 2 into x into 2y. So 2 2s are 4, x into y, xy. So we'll write down plus 4xy. Now let's multiply this, that is 2 into 2y into minus 3. So 2 2s are 4, 4 into minus 3, minus 12. So C sign will become minus 12 and y into y is there. So into y 12 y. Then last term we'll solve, that is 2 into x into minus 3. So 2 into minus 3. So minus 6 into x, it will become minus 6x. So now we have individually got the answer, that is for first term it is x square plus 4y square plus 9 minus 4xy minus 12y plus 6x. And for the next part expression we got the answer, that is x square plus 4y square plus 9 plus 4xy minus 12y minus 6x. Now student will combine and solve it. It will become easy. So you'll put it in bracket, the answer what you got for the first and second part. So first part x square plus 4y square plus 9 minus 4xy minus 12y plus 6x. Close the bracket. So it was addition sign between them. So plus, put the answers what you got for the last expression, that is x square plus 4y square plus 9 plus 4xy minus 12y minus 6x. Now our next step is to remove this bracket. So while removing bracket, this terms in the first part will come as it is with the same sign. Now here it is plus, students. So in plus, here also in next part also no sign change will take place in the terms. This will also come as it is with the same sign in the bracket. So we'll remove the brackets. So we'll get x square plus 4y square plus 9 minus 4xy minus 12y plus 6x. So terms from the next bracket also comes out, that is x square plus 4y square plus 9 plus 4xy minus 12y minus 6x. Okay, now students, you can see their cancellation of terms takes place. So now you can see this is x square with positive sign, it will not cancel. Now plus 4y square, this is also plus 4y square, it will not cancel. Plus 9 not cancel. Minus 4xy, and here it is plus 4xy, so opposite sign terms will get cancelled. So we'll cancel this, that is minus 4xy and plus 4xy will cancel. Then minus 12y is there, here also minus 12y, both same sign will not get cancelled, they will add up. Here plus 6x and here minus 6x, so the opposite sign, that is it will get 0, so we'll cancel here. So did cancellation. Now students, next step, we will bring the like terms together. So x square and we'll bring x square together. So next step we'll write down like that, x square plus 4y square. Here also one 4y square, so 4y square plus 9, then plus 9 minus 12y minus 12y. So we have grouped the like terms together. Now we'll add this. So we'll do the addition of the like terms. So x square plus x square will become 2x square. 4y square plus 4y square, it will become 8y square. Plus 9 will become plus 18. Minus 12y and minus 12y, both sign are same. So we'll add the coefficient, that is we'll add the numbers and sign will remain minus. So 12 plus 12, 24. So it will become as both as negative, it will become minus 24y. So this is your answer. So x minus 2y plus 3 the whole square plus x plus 2y minus 3 the whole square equal to 2x square plus 8y square plus 18 minus 24y. So student, it becomes easy if you solve individually, then group it. Then cancellation will take place. So this if you do, you'll not make mistakes also, and you'll find the sums easy to solve. So student, let's move to our next question. Now in next question, what is given? First expression has 3k minus 4r minus 2m the whole square. Then minus, you have to do subtraction between these two expressions. So next term is 3k plus 4r minus 2m the whole square. So we'll use the same formula, that is a plus b plus c the whole square equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ac. Always write the formulas by which formula you're solving. So it also carries marks. Okay. Now let's solve the first expression, that is k 3k minus 4r minus 2m the whole square. So we'll use this formula, that is a square plus. So our a term is 3k, b term is minus 4r and c term is minus 2m. So we'll just put and find out the answer. So it will become 3k the whole square plus in bracket minus 4r the whole square plus c term is minus 2m. So it will become minus 2m the whole square plus in place of 2ab you'll write down 2 into 3k into minus 4r. Put in bracket minus 4r as it is negative sign. So better put it in bracket and write plus 2 into bc. So 2 into minus 4r into minus 2m. So you'll put the b term and into c term. Now plus 2ac. So for 2ac plus 2 into 3k is for this one a, and into what is c, that is minus 2m. So now let's solve this. Let's find out, remove the brackets and get the answer. 3k the whole square will become 9k square plus minus 4r square will become 16r square. Then minus 2m square will become, student, 4m square. Now you'll multiply this one 2 into 2 into 3k into minus 4r. So you'll multiply, student, that is 3 2s are 6, 6 into minus 4. So 6 into minus 4 you'll get minus 24. Then k into r you'll get kr. Then here let's solve, first multiply this. Now you can see here also minus into minus, so it will become plus. So you'll get answer with plus. Now you'll multiply the numbers, 2 into 4 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 you got. Then r into m, rm. Then you'll multiply this, that is 2 into 3k into minus 2m. So here minus sign is there, so you'll get answer. One minus is then a plus into minus, you'll get minus answer over here. Then 3 2s are 6, 6 into 2 12. So we'll write down 12 km. So now this is, we have solved our first expression. Now let's solve, that is 3k plus 4r minus 2m the whole square. So we'll just use the formula, students, and write down, that is 3k the whole square plus 4r the whole square plus minus 2m the whole square plus 2 into AC na. So 2 into 3k into 4r plus 2 into BC here. So 2 into 4r into minus 2m, then plus 2 into AC in formula it is there. So 2 into 3k into minus 2m. So now we'll remove from the bracket, the numbers will remove from the bracket and write down next step, that is 3k the whole square will become 9k square plus 4r the whole square will become 16r square. Now plus minus 2m the whole square will become 4m square. Then you'll multiply 2 into 3k into 4r. So 3 2s are 6. Then 6 into 4 you'll write down 24. Then k into r kr. So you'll get 24 kr. Then next you'll multiply your 2 into 4r into minus 2m. So plus and your minus is there. So plus into minus, minus you'll get 4 2s are 8. 8 2s are 16. So minus 16 rm. Then here 2 into 3k into 2m. So you'll multiply. So 2 3s are 6. 6 into minus 2 you'll get minus 12. Minus 12 km. So you have solved individually the first expression and the second expression. Now we'll combine this answer. You can see, student, here what is given, you have to subtract. So this what you got for the first minus the second part. So now I'll write down next step like that. Put bracket. So 9k square plus 16r square plus 4m square minus 24kr plus 16rm minus 12km, put bracket. Then minus, as you have to do minus between both the expressions. So minus k 9k square plus 16r square plus 4m square plus 24kr minus 16rm minus 12km. Now student, our next step is remove the brackets. Now first terms, for the bracket, the terms in the first bracket, these all terms will come with the same sign, because as the here outside is no sign means positive, means there will be no sign change over here. Now you have to remember, now in second, while removing the second part, the bracket, when you remove from the second part, student, you see here it is minus. So when there is minus, the sign of the terms will change in the second part. So you have to do carefully this. Don't just remove it. See, here it is minus. So if you, when you remove, so minus into plus will become minus. It will just be, the terms will get opposite sign. In short, you have to remember this. So it will become, after removing bracket, will get the terms like 9k square plus 16r square plus 4m square minus 24kr plus 16rm minus 12km. So this was still first part we have removed. Now you see, now this starts for second part. So minus 9k square, it will change the sign as it is minus outside. So plus will become minus 16r square. Now plus 4m square was previous. Now it will become minus 4m square. Then minus 24 kr. Then minus 16 rm will become plus, because minus into minus will give you plus. So it will become 16 rm. Then minus 12 km into minus you'll get, so it will become plus 12 km. Now students, here let's do see which terms get cancels. So let's see. Can you see, student, 9k square and plus 9 square k square, and here you get minus 9k square. So it is opposite sign, na? So this will get cancelled. So we'll cancel this full term. Okay. Now next, let's see. It is plus 16r square and here minus 16r square. So it is also opposite. So this will get cancelled. Okay. Now here plus 4m square and here minus. So opposite sign terms are there. So it will get cancelled, students. Okay. Now minus 24kr and here what we have, minus 24kr. So it will not get cancelled. Now plus 16rm, here also plus, same sign, it will not get cancelled. Now here minus 12km and here it is plus 12km. So this term will also get cancelled, students. I hope you are getting it. Now students, our next step is to bring the terms together. Now you see here like terms together will write down. So minus 24kr and here also minus 24. See, I put sign over here, minus 24kr. So we'll write down minus 24kr minus 24kr and 16rm plus 16rm. So we have, now we'll do addition of these numbers with like terms. Do addition of the like terms. So minus 24kr minus 24kr, it will become minus 48kr, and plus 16rm plus 16rm will become plus 32rm. So this is the answer for the question. So final, you'll write down, student, 3k minus 4r minus 2m the whole square minus 3k plus 4r minus 2m the whole square equal to minus 48kr plus 32rm. I hope you understood the concept. It is only just based on the formula. You have to use the formula properly. You'll get the answer. This chapter is very easy because this chapter is based only on formulas. If you learn the formulas by heart, it is very easy to solve. Okay. Now students, I have given one sum as homework. That is third one in simplification. You will do this by yourself. Okay students. I hope you got this concept. So thank you students. Stay home and stay safe.